Greetings everyone. Well, I finally got back with the Adams motor. It's got the bifolder winds. I've been away, so I haven't been able to do much, but I've actually wired some generator coils in position, which are these ones here, and they're on a pivot so they can move around. I've just connected up. I'll show you some interesting things. For instance, when I put a load on there, the actual current drops right down. I just show the battery. I just connect it up. The current draw at the moment, I don't know if you can see, 0.06, which is what the inverter is actually taking. Okay, I'll just start her up. Get her up to speed. At the moment I have a load on there. As you can see, these LEDs, I've made up a special coil that's coming from the generator coils over here and going through bridge rectifier here. I don't know if you can see it, just here, the 4 diodes, goes to the capacitor. Now at the moment we're reading, don't know if you can see it, but we're reading about 59 milliamps, 58 milliamps. Now I've got a neon over here. I'm going to connect this neon up. Now that neon's glowing brightly, and we're still at 58 milliamps. I've also got a neon over here. I find it will capture something because I get better readings with it. I've also got neons over here, but they're all black and so you can't see it. Now I'm just going to short out this capacitor, and you'll see the current drop right down. I'll just try to hold it. Now I've shorted the capacitor out, and of course it's shorted the load and there's no LEDs lit, but the current is dropping right down. And I don't know if you can hear the motor, but it's speeding up quite a bit. So it's gone right down to 54. It'll go down even further if I wait long enough. But it is increasing in speed. Now I'm just going to take the short off the capacitor here. Now the LED's all lit up, and the current draw will go up, of course, only because I've taken the short off, but it will go up to about 57, 58 milliamps. Now, if I take the load off, completely take the load off, the current increases and the motor slows down. You'll probably hear it, it's slowing down, and the current increases. It increases to about 71 milliamps. Now I'm going to put the load back on. As you can see, the load's dead. Oh, sorry, not blowing. I'm going to put it on there now. And here we have the load. And you'll see the motor, you can hear it speeding up. And the current is actually dropping. And I'll go right down to 58 again. So the more load I put on here, the more current drops, until it gets to a point where it drops no more. It will drop down to about 53 milliamps. But I think there's about 29 LEDs here, individually wired. As you can see, the resistors on the board there. And we're running this neon, which I'll take out, dead now, and the current hasn't really gone up, hasn't moved. I'll put the neon back, it's glowing now, and it's still sitting around the same, you know, just not making any difference. On the other side of the motor I have another optical switch with a circuit, so that at the moment it's not sort of wired up, it's just sitting there. I was doing some experiments, but I'm finding that if I time the output coils, so I'm only taking the putting the load on at certain times, I'm getting better results, but at the moment I'm just having trouble trying to get everything correct. I've got a capacitor here which you can see. I'm picking up the back EMF from the coils through these fast, I've got the special diodes here, the fast switching diodes. At the moment it's just charging that cap, but I'm going to take it back to the power supply cap, and then that'll help reduce more current. So anyway, I just thought I'd catch up and let you guys see what's the latest. I'm hoping to build 2 more generator coils. At the moment I've only got 2 gen coils, but with the gen coils on, I've noticed an increase in speed, and yet there's a sticking point with them, but with the load on it and the current going through the generator coils, it seems to counteract the sticking point. Anyway, cheers. And these are lights still flashing away, and I'll just short it out for you once more. I'll just a moment, short it out, and take the short off. I'll show them both so you can see what's happening. Shorting them out with a cap, take the short off the cap, and instantly I've got these LEDs lit, and the current's actually dropped down to 55. I'll just take the load off one more time, and you'll see current going up, no load, and the motor's slowing down, and you can probably hear it slowing down. So I'm just going to connect this load up again. We have the load flashing away, and you'll see the current dropping now, and you should be able to hear the motor speeding up. But it's quite strange, you know. When I first put these gen coils on, I could put a short on there, and current would drop. But the moment I put a load on it, if it wasn't a complete short, the current increased. It didn't make much difference. But I've wound the special coil here, which seems to have done the trick. I've got a few more things I've got to do on it to make the efficiency a bit more, but it's getting pretty close to OU at the moment. Cheers.